Hello guys, it's me, Nikki. Hello! It's the most wonderful time of the year. Tum-num. Welcome to Winter Wonder Week Day 3. Oh my God. In yesterday's episode, you could see how I turned up the glam, creating a dark, vampy holiday Christmas holiday makeup look. If you haven't seen it, click on the screen right now to take you there. Today's video is extremely different. A couple of weeks ago, I did a video called the Never Would I Ever Challenge. And the Never Would I Ever Makeup Challenge is a challenge where I ask you guys what look you think I would never ever do in my life. And the top two were the Grinch, which eventually won because of an Instagram poll, but a very intense runner-up was following a Bob Ross painting tutorial on my face. And ever since I did that video, I've been getting so many tweets, so many messages, so many comments saying, girl, still please do the Bob Ross video, we're waiting. Today is that day. By now, I'm pretty sure a lot of creators have done it already, so I will try to find the original in the comments down below. I know that Jenna Marbles did it on an actual painting. She followed a Bob Ross tutorial on a painting, but today, I'm painting my face. You know, the difference here is that Bob always starts off with a nice white canvas that he slicks down with some liquid white, and I am not that. And if you don't know who Bob Ross is, by the way, shame on you, here we go. Bob Ross, Robert Norman Ross, was an American painter, art instructor, and television host. He was the creator and host of The Joy of Painting, an instructional television program that aired from 1983 to 1994. I wouldn't suggest watching it during the middle of your day. See, I was doing research for this video and I wanted to kind of, you know, look around and see what I wanted to do with my face today. I was doing research this morning at 6 o'clock in the morning. I fell asleep because Bob's voice is so soothing. He is so peaceful. He is so... We miss you. If only Mr. Ross would have known that 35 years after he did his show, that makeup artists and gurus on the internet would be recreating his paintings on their faces. So without any further ado, if you're excited to see me turn my face into a Bob Ross painting, then please keep on watching. And of course, there will be a giveaway throughout this video, so please stay tuned till that, and let's go. Whew, okay, I am legitimately nervous for this one. Like, where is this gonna end? So like I said, I did a little bit of research, fell asleep, but did some research, and I looked at a couple of videos and looked at the beginning and the end to kind of see what he was up to. He was so ahead of his time. He didn't show the end result until the very end of the video, something that a lot of gurus out here do too. So I looked at a couple of videos and I feel like the Bob Ross Ocean Breeze Season 10, Episode 5 should be today's look. The Joy of Painting.
Welcome back. Certainly glad you could join me today.
Oh, I love how Bob says white. It's like white, white, white.
Today we have something a little different, a little unusual up here.
Unusual.
I've taken an 18 by 24 inch canvas.
18 by 24 inch canvas. 25 by 64 inch canvas.
The bottom half here, probably, it's below half, I've covered with black gesso. And the top half then is just left white. Now, I've covered the whole top half with liquid white. It's nice and wet and ready to go as you.
So this is something that I see him do a lot. He covers his canvas with a liquid white, and he keeps it wet. This was the classic way of keeping your eyeshadow base sticky. Get it? So instead of powdering your base, like Bob does, you want to keep it wet so everything blends nicely. Ahead of his time.
This is going to be a happy little seascape.
It's going to be a happy little seascape.
We're going to have some fun. I think you'll enjoy this one. I'm going to start off today with phthalo blue. Reach over here and grab some midnight black and mix them together. So I have blue and
black. Blue and black. Black and blue.
Let's just drop in some happy little sky areas. Just using little crisscross strokes.
And I'm just wondering, because he made his canvas white and black, should I be doing that? Should I make like the base white and then the base black? All right, so I have a white paint stick by Kryolan, and I feel like I should start by putting this on as a base, because essentially his painting had that on as a base. Beautiful. And we're done. Thank you so much for watching. And we're back at Halloween doing a skull look again. Hello. Oh my God, yes, Bob, we're doing this. And I'm gonna start buffing this in so that I have a nice liquid white base. See, another thing that's coming to mind is that Bob didn't have to worry about creasing because the canvas doesn't crease. I, however, crease a lot.
And in those open areas, we'll come back and we'll put all the little clouds in and let them dance around it and have fun. There.
I don't think I have a brush like that. So I have the Makeup Forever Flash palette. A nice phthalo blue and midnight black. Okay, I have a nice like midnight blue. I stick my brush in that looks nothing like his brush. Pick it up and little X marks to put it on and create the sky and a cloud. What is happening? I definitely want like the darkest portions to be around the perimeter of my canvas. Does that look like the sky? Please say yes.
Let me wash my old brush. Wash our brush with just odorless paint thinner. Shake it off. Just beat the devil out of it.
Beat the devil out of it.
Dry brush. Go back. And then we'll soften this. And it's all right if you pull a little bit of this color into the light area. There we go.
Bringing it together. Oh my God, I am blending the sky. Oh my God, this man is a genius. I am blending the sky onto my forehead.
I'm gonna have a shadow right here, right against the water. We'll just let that work right on up, like so. Just a happy little shadow that lives.
A happy little shadow. Bob, what is happening?
And just begin making all those fluffy little things on top of the cloud. Let that brush just dance around there and play. And
so this wasn't a cloud yet. Okay. Okay, so this needs to be bluer. All right, so he mixed red with black for shadows of the clouds. Okay, I guess something like that. I'm picking up that red. And where did I tap my brush? Shadows of the clouds. And I saw him use like circular motions. What is this gonna be? Nice little happy cloud up here. A little cloud here. All right, so then he goes in with white and mixes it with the tiniest bit of red. Tiny little circles to create that is not a cloud. Tiny little circles to create the fluffiness of the cloud. This is not working. Mr. Ross, it doesn't look like clouds and it doesn't look like sky.
okay, let's take a fan brush.
A fan brush?
Start with just plain old titanium white.
A fan brush?
And we can go right back in here. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
Here, just little strokes like that. And
oh my God, it's just in the flick of a wrist he created the sea. Okay, so I feel like I need to cover this with a dark blue and black because that is the sea. And then with a white and a fan brush, he just creates the sea. Just out of nowhere, there's an ocean. I do, however, before I do that, want to tie in my eyes with the look. So I'm just quickly gonna do a little bit of some to make it look like a glam Bob Ross. All right, I'm taking a bright blue eyeshadow and I'm popping this into my crease. A tiny bit of pink right above that nose line. I almost want to make like the eye look like one big cloud almost. See? So now I'm just gonna work on that. Okay, now putting Stila Sunset Cove on the lid. All right, so off camera, I'm just gonna perfect this a little bit more and add my lower lash line and lashes, but you kind of get the gist of it. So this entire eye turns into a smokiness with blue and pink to kind of tie the top together. Whew, all right, now honestly, this is a look. You can like put some foundation here, apply a lip, and call it a day and be like Bob Ross's sky. I really like how the eyes sort of complete the sky feel, and then this is sort of like our highlighter cloud, and like, this could be a look, but of course, Bob has a wave and an entire ocean going on. So first, his base is black. So I wanna put in a black line, and then over top of that, he just added highlights. So that's gonna be our sea. So, black, here we go. Oh boy, my bathroom is gonna hate me again. Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, this is never coming off.
Okay, let's go right here. Now, decide where that big transparency is going to be. Maybe it comes right down like this, and the water comes wherever you want it, and then down, something like so. This is just to give you an idea, sort of a guide. And we can go right back in here. Look at that. See here? Just make little strokes like it. Mixes with the color that's on the canvas, and all these beautiful little effects will happen automatically. Let's go right in here. We'll do this. Like it. Look at that. See? And I know you're saying, oh, Bob, you done it this time. You may be right.
I'm having a little bit of difficulty making this look like the sea.
Flash right there. Isn't that a super little way, though, to make...
We lost him. Oh my God. It's like you blink once and then everything has turned into a beautiful ocean, and I'm here looking like... I don't even want to talk about it.
3 weeks later.
This wave is starting to look like a mountain. I'm just gonna transform everything into tiny little mountains, because you know, what else am I gonna do to save this look? So Titanic all the way, baby. We're saving this look by adding drama. And that, guys, concludes this following a Bob Ross painting tutorial on my face challenge. This has been probably one of the hardest challenges I've ever had to do. Doing the Grinch was difficult. Doing the pulled up skin demon look during Halloween a couple of years ago was difficult. This was an entire new range of difficult. Nonetheless, it looks nothing like Bob's, you know, end result painting, but I'm pretty happy with this. It looks like a dark, wintry, black, icy lake mood. Without any further ado, let's go on to the Dutch word of the day. The Dutch word of the day in the last video, of course, was for Santa, and that was Kerstman. And I have a super awesome Instagram video response by Flatbrot. And she decided to incorporate the Dutch word of the day in a nice little song.
Kerstman baby, slip a sable under the tree for me. Been an awful good girl. Kiss my baby. So hurry down the chimney tonight.
For today's Dutch word of the day, I wanted to teach you the Dutch word for cloud. Let's go. Wolk. Olk. Volk. So this one might be a little bit difficult, but you have to start off with a W, so like a Volk. I'm on Volk 9 right now. If you want to be featured in my next video, which is tomorrow during Winter Wonder Week, all you have to do is leave a comment down below featuring the Dutch word of the day, Volk, or leave a video response on Instagram under hashtag Dutch word of the day. Good luck. For today's Winter Wonder winner, the giveaway of today's video, for my eyes today, you didn't see it, but today I used the Be Perfect Carnival palette in collaboration with Stacey Marie MUA. This is a must-have palette. It's all with bright colors. It is super, super intensely pigmented, and it is, like I said, one of my all-time favorite palettes. I'm giving away 5 of these palettes to 5 lucky winners, and all you have to do to enter this giveaway is, of course, be subscribed to my channel. You have to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below whatever you want. You can incorporate the Dutch word of the day. You can talk about how your day was. You can talk about your favorite color. You can talk about your favorite Bob Ross painting. You can talk about anything as long as you leave a comment. That's it, guys. I want to thank you so much for watching today's Winter Wonder Week episode. I hope you enjoyed. And yeah, without any further ado, I hope I will see you again tomorrow. And tomorrow is going to be a crazy one because we're going to be off to a different country. I'll see you tomorrow.